Hey, Greek kids! Welcome to the last day of our worship workshop. I had so much fun this week. We love to have the guests here with us, and we had Lucas one day, and then we have the worship leaders, and then the best part, we had some Greek kids here with us. And I can't wait to see you again and worship with you again. Today, I just want to share with you two of my favorite Greek kids worship songs. The first one is I Believe in Jesus. I really like this song because it says about the whole plan of salvation for us, how Jesus came and he lived and how he died for us. And because of him, we can live forever. So I want to share a little bit of this song. We're going to play the song and you can worship home with me. Okay, let's watch it.
You came from heaven, you loved me, you gave up all you had, you saved me, and your life was given. You loved me, so I live forever. You saved me, you made a way for me. You came to set me free. Yeah. I believe in Jesus. I believe he came to save. I believe in Jesus Christ. I will trust in Jesus. I will live to follow him. I will trust in Jesus Christ. You came from heaven, you loved me, and you gave all you had. You saved me, and your life was given. You loved me, so I live forever. You saved me, you made a way for me. You came to set me free. I believe in Jesus. I believe he came to save. I believe in Jesus Christ. I will trust in Jesus. I will live to follow him. I will trust in Jesus Christ. So clap, clap, clap if you feel it. Sing, sing, sing like you mean it. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. I believe. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. Sing, sing, sing like you mean it. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. And I believe. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. Sing, sing, sing like you mean it. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. I believe. I believe in Jesus. I believe he came to save. I believe in Jesus Christ. I will trust in Jesus. I will live to follow him. I will trust in Jesus Christ. So clap, clap, clap if you feel it. Sing, sing, sing like you mean it. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. I believe. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. Sing, sing, sing like you mean it. Clap, clap, clap if you feel it. I believe. Come on, let's keep singing tonight.
I really like this song. We say, I believe. That's really important for us to declare that we believe in Jesus all the time. It's important to our faith, right? The Bible says on Romans 10:9, if you declare with your mouth, Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. The next song I want to share with you is called Waymaker. I really like this song because it says so much about God's character, right? And sometimes we can feel worried or sad or anxious. But when we remember who God is, we can have hope, right? Let's watch a little bit of this song. Let's worship together.
You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, healing every life. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You are waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. 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 Oh, that is who you are. That is who you are. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop, you never stop working. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop, you never stop working. You never stop, you never stop working. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Oh, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That's so good for us to remember these truths all the time. I love to sing along this song and just remember who God is. The Bible says on Psalms 18, 2-3, "The Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer. My God is my rock in whom I take refuge, my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. I call to the Lord who is worthy of praise, and I have been saved from my enemies." Thank you so much for being with me this week. I had so much fun, and I can't wait to be together and worship with you again. Bye.